WebPano User Management. If you are the organization's admin, after logging in the main menu on the left, in the last tab, you will find User Management. This is divided into two tabs, User by Name and Subscriptions by Site. In the User by Name tab, you can add a single user, assign him a role, assign him to a site, and specify the access time. The possible role types are User Pano Restricted, User Basic, Regular Cache, Model Manager, User Pro, Organization Admin. Then select a site from the list of available sites. You can select more than one, specify the access time, and that's it. Once a new user has been added, a confirmation request will be sent to the user's email address. The user should click on the activation link to confirm the account creation and set a password. If you change your mind, you can remove a site from the access list or add another one. Now we go to Subscriptions by Site tab. Here you can add a user to a specific site. Click the Add User icon above the selected site name. Select a specific subscription duration and enter the user's email, or select a user from existing ones. Now you can select a user role from the drop-down list. Done. I will now show you how to define a user with the role User Pano Restricted. First, we need to add such a user in the User by Name tab. Enter email address, select role User Pano Restricted, select site name and select access time. Now you need to refresh the page. Go to Subscriptions by Site tab. Find the site and this user in the table. It will have an icon at the end of the line to indicate an undefined scope. This scope needs to be defined. Click on the icon. It will redirect you to the selected site. Now click on the last button called Users Scope in the vertical bar. A pop-up window will open with a list of users. A user with an undefined scope will have an icon with a red exclamation mark. Click the icon in the scope column. A box with markers for setting the scope will appear in the viewport, as well as a pop-up window with a list of scans included in the scope. Drag the markers to the desired positions. The box can also be grabbed and moved along the selected axis, or by grabbing the gizmo in the center. Save the scope. That's it. By clicking the same icon, the range can be edited. A User Pano Restricted can only access the scans that have been made available to him. He can see the entire floor plans, but the markers of the scans appear only in a limited area, and he cannot access the 3D space. He also has access to the 3D model in the scope covered by the scans. The top bar shows how many days are left in the subscription.